Convicted killer Alex Murdaugh went back to court today where a judge handed down a 40-year sentence for stealing money from clients and his law firm. He's already serving a life sentence for killing his wife and son. Fox's Kennedy Hayes joins us live tonight from Charleston, South Carolina with the latest on what's happening there. Kennedy?
Russ, as you said, a judge gave Murdaugh a 40-year sentence. Before the decision, Murdaugh spoke, apologizing for his actions, and the prosecution brought in family members of the victims and said today's decision was about justice for them.
These victims are not just names listed in a court filing. They are real people who trusted an attorney at the most difficult times of their lives. When they had lost loved ones, when they were severely injured, and they were betrayed in those vulnerable moments.
Federal prosecutors recommended sentencing Murdaugh to at least 17 years, but the judge decided to double that to 40 years. Murdaugh was initially charged with around 100 financial crimes, and as part of plea deals, he pleaded guilty to only some. Murdaugh was accused of stealing millions of dollars from his clients during his time as a lawyer. Charges included wire fraud, bank fraud, and money laundering. The judge also withdrew a motion from the defense to review a lie detector test. Prosecutors allege Murdaugh failed the test when he was asked about stealing $6 million. Ultimately, today, the defense said they agreed with the judge's decision.
He stated his reasons in open court, which is really hard to disagree with. How much of that 40 years will he have to do? I don't know for sure. If he'll do any in federal court, it all depends on what happens to the murder convictions, obviously.
And aside from this case, Murdaugh is still trying to overturn his murder convictions for the killings of his wife and son. In Charleston, South Carolina, Kennedy Hayes, Fox 5 News.